So, is it recording now? Yeah, it's recording. Alright. I'm going to show you how to steal the bird eggs. First, I'm going to steal the bird eggs. Watch this. Alright. There are the birds. First thing, we're going to have to make distracted by this. Alright, we're going to need someone tap dancing. Whoa! I am so damn bored. Did I tap dance? Yeah. Why did I say damn? You're not allowed? Oh, sorry. Guys, look at my tap dancing. No, I'm tired. Alright, he's always tired. Oh, green bird, you have to drive me dick. This is my tap dancing. I could do better than that. That's not tap dancing, that's Fording. You guys like me? Wow, I say you're like a kid. Where'd that egg go? Now, that's second. Is that something that belongs to us? Yeah. Second thing. And third thing. Run! Oh, yeah. You put the run with the eggs. Let's try that again. Put the run with the eggs. Hey, yo, what the hell are you doing with the eggs? Oh, shit. Thank you. Oh. 2 hours later, you should never steal the eggs. Do you know why? Because got the eggs. Oh, I forgot to give me a pill. Ready for a pill? Well, you get another pill. No, boss, sneeze on your shit, dang gun. No! Out you!